What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Right now I'm at at our creek by our house. This is what I'm using. It's a tiny little minnow on a 32-ounce jig head, and we're going to try and catch some minnows. Speaking of minnows, I need to get some minnows for when we go up to our cabin. Yeah, so this creek that I'm fishing at, it holds pretty big sized minnows. Let's see. Okay, we just had some bites right about there. It's very small, so might take a little longer for them to eat it. Oh, we got one. Tiny little creek chub. Right on my little 2-inch swim bait. Nice creek chub. If you like this, make sure to subscribe.